Hey guys, how are you today? This is Risa from Risa's house, and today is another day. Thank God, it's another day. We were given life, and so what I'm doing today is pancakes. On my Instagram page, I have this thing going where I'm doing 5 days of my favorite pancakes. And today I am doing one of my favorite, and I thought, hey, why not film it and put it on YouTube so you guys could see it? And today I'll be making cornbread pancakes. Yes, cornbread pancakes. Nothing beats it. And I'll be serving it with bacon, a cream cheese, whipped cream cheese, and beans and scrambled eggs. That's what I'm having for breakfast. So I'll be showing you how I'm making my cornbread pancakes. So my pancakes, I make it in a waffle iron, on a waffle iron, just because it's easier for me. I don't know. You make it in on your griddle or in your fry pan or however you make your pancakes. And for cream cheese, I don't do dairy right now. I'm having an allergic reaction to dairy. So what I have is tofu tea, and it is cream cheese alternative. It's like nothing better. It's better than cream cheese. That's what it is. So this is it. If any one of you have a dairy allergy and you still love cream cheese like I do, this is what I use. All right. And I'll also be serving it with nothing will work other than good old Canadian maple syrup. Just absolutely the best thing you could put on your pancake. I mean, it is epic. So let's get this party started right now. Okay, so I've got my bowl here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add all the liquids together, and then I add the dry ingredients. So what I've got here, I've got this is almond milk. Almond milk with a small bit of water. We're adding it to our bowl. And I've got an egg here. And we'll do our oil. Here is our oil. And we will give that a quick whip. Because you want to whip it up, right? So everything is incorporated right. And I'll tell you what I do for my mix. I make my own cornmeal mix, and I use half and half. I use half cornmeal, half flour. I use sugar, granulated sugar, baking powder, a tot of baking soda, and salt in my thing. I use a little bit of vanilla sugar in here also to give it some nice flavor. And I keep this in a bottle, and when I'm ready, I just take out with a cup or two, depending on how many people I am making it for. So that's what I do. I pre-make my stuff and have them in bottles, and when I'm ready, I just have it. I don't have to be adding flour, sugar, but whatever. So that's what I do. So here we go. Okay, guys, what I do for my pancake is I have to let this sit for about 10 minutes because it thickens up, because you know pancake swells. So you can't make it any thicker than this or you'll just end up with big blob clubs of pancake. So this sits for 10 minutes. It thickens up, and then you go ahead and make your pancake. So we're going to let this sit for just 10 minutes, then we'll be making pancakes. Alrighty. Okay, oops, my thing fell in. Okay, guys, so this is what you want. You want it to be like a ribbon. You don't want it thicker than this, or you may have problems, okay? So, what I have here is my little mini grill. I love this grill. So, my little tiny griddle. Look at it, my little grill. That's what I do my pancakes on. And so, this is what I am using today. So we just put it on like that. We don't overfill this one here because we don't want to create a mess. And we close it on. It's pretty quick. We close it down, boom, and we wait. And that's it. And it's that simple. Or we do it in a fry pan. Whichever you prefer works. It works. Any way is possible for you. So if you prefer the fry pan, hey, go for it. And if you are like me and you prefer to do it on the little griddle there, then hey, that's fine. It's a waffle maker, but I use it for all my pancakes. That's what I use. That's what I prefer using. So it works for me. It works for me. So we'll just turn this around. Make sure. And flip him over. And there you go. Lovely. All right, guys. So whatever way suits you, go for it. Okay, guys. This is what it looks like. And we'll just take it out. Look at it. Beautiful. All right. So we'll just continue doing what we're doing. And I'll see you when they're all done. Hi, guys. Okay, so finished. All done. So this is what the pan one looks like. And it's all done up how it's going to be served. That's what it looks like. Serving with some eggs, some beans, the turkey bacon, and of course, the pancakes. And this is what the one done on the waffle iron looks like. This is with the bacon, the cream cheese, and the maple syrup. So that's it, guys. So go ahead, give this a try, and I'm sure you will enjoy it like I know I'm going to enjoy it right now. Okay, have yourself a great day. Subscribe, leave me a comment, give this a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. You be good to yourself and be good to someone else. Bye.